Hey guys, I want to show you something. There's something really weird going on in the sky. A lot of you know about chemtrails. Some of you may have heard about them. Some of you may place credibility in it. But let me just show you something. Here in the Mid-Atlantic region in the United States and North America, today is December 3rd, 2012. We had a really hot day today. It was around 74, maybe 75 degrees, which is unseasonably warm. We had heavy fog on Saturday or Sunday. Last week it was cold down to freezing. So we've had temperature swings of nearly, 50 degrees in just a few days. But as warm as it is today, the ground, the concrete, I don't know if you can see it, but it's as if it had rained. And so I'm kind of thinking there's something going on. Although the ambient air temperature is warm, the relative humidity is fairly low. This concrete, which is moist, would have normally dried out with evaporation, transpiration, easily in an hour or two. So it's around 4 o'clock in the evening now. It's noticeably maybe 15, 20 degrees cooler already. The sun was very bright today, but look at the sky. Those are really uncharacteristic cloud types. In this region, they're laying chemtrails all day long, sometimes all night long. We just get weary and tired of hearing the planes flying in grid patterns up at some altitude. We don't know exactly what altitude, but a day later, the chemtrails have diffused and they've become these types of clouds. And I'm just wondering, given that now that the sun is going down, and now the ambient temperature is unreasonably cooler and very suddenly, is it possible that some of these chemicals, whether it's barium or other heavy metals, that somehow when the sun is shining, it creates sort of a radiant heat, which is basically a chemical reaction between the shortwave radiation of sun rays and this chemical in the atmosphere, and such that when the sun goes down, that the temperature goes down. I don't know. It's just something to think about. Just wanted to talk about this for a second, and we may do some more follow-ups on this and talk about some of the UN treaties that have existed for about a half of a century now regarding weather and atmospheric modification, and how that they've rendered it, illegal. So the UN has global treaties that say nations should not be manipulating weather and atmosphere, especially for weaponized reasons and things like that. But there's a lot going on, and we'll talk more about it. Okay, take care. God bless.